God is protector. God is our real security. Sufism is the path of grace. No effort is needed on your part. Only receptivity, openness, a loving heart, a state of surrender, a let go, and all that so called yogis cannot attain in millions of lives, you attain in a single instant. His forgiveness comes so fast. It is immediate because God knows only one time, and that is now. God cannot postpone. He has no future. He cannot say tomorrow because there is no tomorrow for him. Time means this time, this moment. For God, all is the present. Our vision is limited, so something is past and something is future and something is present. Our vision is so limited that our present is very teeny. That is the proportion of our vision. We are looking through a keyhole into reality. We can see only this much, all else is the past. Just sit behind a keyhole and watch. Somebody comes. You see a person suddenly emerge out of nowhere because just a moment ago you were not able to see him. When he comes in front of the keyhole, you see him, and then next moment he is gone. He has passed. Again, he is no more. Just a moment ago, he was in the future. Just a moment afterwards, he is in the past. Do you think that man has disappeared? Do you think that man suddenly appeared from nowhere and now suddenly disappeared into nowhere again? And he appeared only for a single moment? This is our vision that is creating the fallacy. Come out of your hiding place, open the door, and you will be surprised. He was before you saw him, and he is after you saw him. Now you will have a better vision. For God, all is eternal now. God is our shepherd. He takes every care. We are unnecessarily worried and we start trying to take care of ourselves. That is how we fall victim to the wolf, the mind. The mind says, this way, this is more secure, more safe. Arrange life in this pattern. Don't live in insecurity. That is the constant message of the mind. Don't live in insecurity. Make life secure. Have a bank balance. Have a family. Be tethered to the earth. Make as many arrangements as possible so you are protected. This is what mind says. God is our protector, our real protector. But the mind starts playing the protector, and the mind is the wolf, because the mind is created by all kinds of exploiters that exist in the world. The priest, the pundit, the politician create the mind. They create fear in you. They live in our fear. They create a constant trembling. Your whole life you remain in anguish, trembling, afraid. They create worry in you, and worrying is the source of your mind. It is if a person is ready to live in insecurity, the mind disappears. Then there is no need of the mind. Sannyas means to live in insecurity, because God is our only security. Sannyas means to live without any fear, because we are part of this existence. There is nobody to be afraid of. The existence is not antagonistic to us, it protects us. But the mind is the key product of fear, and because of the fear, it goes on creating its own security. Have more money, have a bigger house, have respect, prestige, political power, win friends, influence people, so you are secure. You have so many friends, they will be useful. They say a friend is a friend only when he supports you in times of need. So have many friends, compromise, have a false face, smiling, so that you can influence people. This is all mind says. You put your security into something which is very fragile, and God is your only security. But to know the security of God, to know that He is your shepherd, you will have to trust. To live in insecurity, if you cannot trust, you will go on accumulating rubbish around you. People love rubbish. They go on accumulating rubbish. Just look around yourself. Look at people. Watch. People are accumulating rubbish in the name of money, in the name of knowledge, in the name of virtue. People are accumulating rubbish, all kinds of rubbish, and that is their security. They think it is going to save them. In fact, they will be drowned in it. They will be drowned because of it. God is our shepherd. God is our protector, real protector. If a person is ready to live in insecurity, the mind disappears. Then there is no mind, need of the mind. Thank you.